If you want to cast YouTube app to TV on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the YouTube app. Let's open YouTube app, and now over here in the top right corner you should be able to find this icon, this square with the, or rectangle actually, with the Wi-Fi icon, and this is how we can connect with other devices including TV. So if you can detect your TV over here, then you can just simply select it. Most likely you need to be using the same Wi-Fi connection on both the devices in order to be able to find it. And also you can choose a link with the V code instead. You can also find this instructions that you can use in order to get the TV code and enter it over here in order to link your phone with your TV. Now this option, or this icon to search for devices, is available pretty much all the time, whether you are in the main menu of YouTube or if you are watching a video. You should be able to find it pretty much always in the top right corner of the screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!